So the next row has the same idea of what we need. We need to go back a little bit like that. Okay, remember as I did this, back into that arch to get a single crochet, 1 and 2, and one more double crochet like that, slightly into the back. Then again we need to find that place where we joined our previous row. Let's try to do this. You pull your double crochets a little bit back and you find a place where to insert the hook. This will be 1. Now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more double crochets to make. That's it. Now we are at the arch. What do we do? The same thing. 2, 2, 2. 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Then 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 2 more double crochets. Like that. So this is our next row. Let's count. So we had 7 here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So each time you get 4 plus. Why? Because you're making increases. 2 here, 2 here. In the end, it's plus 4. So we got 14. All right? So we continue. We made 2, 2, 2, and now we need to crochet, double crochet all of the 7 of the previous row. Don't forget about this first one. It's not that visible, but you have to find it. Done. And the next arch, 2 double crochets, after that 2 chains and 2 more double crochets into the same arch. That's it. Now what you do next, double crochet, increases, 2, 2, 2 chains, 2, 2 this side, and I meet you here. And the last arch here, you make 1, you make 2, like that, chain 1, chain 2, and you need to join your row where into the second chain that you had in this kinda double crochet, like that, with a slip stitch. Now let's see what we got. You need to even it up with your hands like that. It's rather thick yarn and needs you some effort from your side. Okay, so that's it. This is the granny square basically, and now it's time to start actually making the basket. Well, for me, this is more than enough. Just 3 rows are more than enough because my yarn is really thick. Well, if your yarn is not that thick, you might be using maybe 4. I don't think about 5 rows, but 4 is pretty possible. In my case, just 3 rows are needed. This is how it looks. So this is an example of a basket that we're going to be making. You see here, I also have only 1, 2, 3 initial rows. That's it. Just like here, only 3 initial rows. And I already get the basket like this. Looks like a tulip, no? So let's see what we do next.